Mental toughness is the ability to stay strong, focused, and motivated even when life gets tough. It is what helps people push through challenges and come out stronger. Anyone can build mental toughness by following some simple steps every day. First, understand that mental toughness starts with your mindset. You have to believe that challenges are chances to grow, not reasons to give up. When you face problems, remind yourself that every struggle is an opportunity to learn something new. Next, practice self-discipline. Mental toughness means doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. This can be waking up early, finishing work before distractions, or staying calm during stressful moments. Make small habits that push you a little every day. Another important step is to control your emotions. It's normal to feel angry, sad, or scared sometimes, but mental toughness means not letting those feelings control your actions. When negative thoughts come, recognize them, but don't let them stop you. Instead, focus on solutions and keep moving forward. Also, set clear goals. Knowing what you want helps you stay motivated. Break big goals into smaller steps so they don't feel overwhelming. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep your confidence high. Physical health plays a big role too. When your body is strong, your mind follows. Exercise regularly, eat healthy food, and get enough sleep. A healthy body supports a strong mind. Remember, mental toughness is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Start with small challenges and slowly take on bigger ones. Over time, you will notice yourself becoming more confident and resilient. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Sometimes talking to a friend or mentor can give you new ideas and support. Mental toughness is not about doing everything alone, but about being smart in handling life's difficulties. In summary, building mental toughness means believing in yourself, practicing self-discipline, controlling emotions, setting clear goals, taking care of your body, and training your mind every day. Start now and keep going. Mental toughness will help you face anything like a pro.